Welcome back to my video. I really got to show you guys something because it is shocking. So you see that over there? You see that over there? The two characters in season 1 and 2 over there. You see those two? You see them? I'm gonna keep playing. You see them? You guys see that? You guys see them over there? I see two of the people who stand up to the bullies in season 1 and 2. And that's the only secret you have to know in the season 3. And that's the only episode, and that's the only secret you gotta see, because when I saw that, it was shocking. So, see you later. I guess I will make more videos because I haven't made any more in a really long time, but I'll make some videos if you guys want me to. Bye.